So what's happening in the patching and upgrade programs at ServiceNow? I want to know more.
It's an exciting time. We're continually evolving programs to give our customers best-in-class service.
What do you mean?
Our customers upgrade when new families are released, so they have the latest features. And in between releases, the patching program keeps our customers safe and secure. Stay current, stay safe. That's what upgrades and patching are all about.
Can you tell me more?
Sure, let's take a look.
What does it mean to upgrade to a new release family? A release family encompasses all products and application functionality improvements on the Now platform. Upgrading to a new release family every 6 months gives you new capabilities and enhancements across the board. Patching is different, but just as important. A patch is a set of fixes for issues with security, performance, and functionality in your current release. Patches keep your system running smoothly and reduce your risk in the shared cloud environment. We continually release patches to respond quickly to issues. Let's take a look at the 3 different types of patches. Full patches don't include new features, and you can apply them without disruption. The idea is that patches are non-eventful and don't need much testing. Security patches are a special type of patch that only contains security fixes. It's an essential part of our process for mitigating vulnerabilities. A hot fix is a targeted fix for a specific issue. Occasionally, our patching program may install a hot fix instead of a full patch. To help you with both upgrades and patches, we provide lots of helpful tools, processes, documentation, and proven practices. And finally, we message your organization with our latest offerings, events, and patching schedules. So it's important to keep the list of contacts on your account up to date. Our most successful customers are leading their industry in digital transformation, and keeping their Now platform current with upgrades and patches is a key to their success. Stay current, stay safe. For more information, please see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.